Hello everyone, here is my review for this small portable air conditioning that is perfect for these summer days. I'll just show you what is inside of this conditioning. There is a filter that we're gonna wash right now and definitely make it wet. That goes inside together with the ice container. This was in the freezer and it's so that goes in a second drawer over there behind this small portable air conditioning. It's a container for the water underneath. Here is a connection with a battery on the side, and you just turn on that small button over there and it's working. It is perfect for this, for the office, for any table, for